The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is designed to meet the demanding needs of industries like the nuclear energy sector, chemical industry, aerospace, oil and gas, food production, and electronics chip manufacturing. Today, let's dive into its application in the aerospace industry. In aerospace, precision and reliability are critical for fuel lines, oxygen systems, and high-performance alloys. The TATE machine's ability to perform automated, consistent welds makes it the perfect choice for the aerospace industry. This welding system delivers precise, repeatable results for components that must withstand extreme temperatures, pressures, and stress. For aircraft pipelines, the TATE machine ensures that each weld is flawless, contributing to the safety and efficiency of critical systems. Additionally, the TATE machine excels in welding materials commonly used in aerospace, such as titanium and stainless steel, offering unmatched flexibility and adaptability. Its ability to handle complex geometries makes it ideal for intricate aerospace applications. As the original equipment manufacturer, we offer OEM and ODM services to tailor the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine to your specific needs. Subscribe to our channel or contact us at info@oktate.com for more details about this cutting-edge welding solution.